Hi everybody, in this video let's look at 10.2 composite index. This is a formula that we use to find the composite index. We take the weightage for that particular items times the index number for that particular items, and then we sum it all together divided by the total weightage. Sometimes we are not given the weightage, then we will use this another formula. Take the total sum of quantity or price in that particular years divided by the total sum of quantity or price in the base year, and then we have to times 100. Okay, now let's look at few example. A particular types of cake is made by using 4 ingredient PQRS. The table shows the prices of the ingredient. Okay, we have 4 ingredients here. These are all the prices of this ingredient in the years 2004 and the years 2006. Okay, let's look at part A. The price index of ingredient P in the years 2006 based on the year 2004 is 120. It means that the index number, price index 2006 based on 2004 is equal to 120. Okay, now we are just focusing on this ingredient P, and the question asks us to calculate the value of W. So first, how do we get the index number in the year 2006 based on the year 2004? In the previous video, I already showed you this, right? So I think it should be no problem. We take the price in the years 2006 divided by the price in the years 2004, and then we times 100. We get the index number, which is equal to 120. Now, the price in the year 2006 is equal to W. The price in the year 2004 is equal to 8. Now, I'm going to plug in this value over here and this over here. W over 8 times 100 is equal to 120. So to get the value of W, I think it should be no problem. You take 120 times 8 over 100. Okay, just press our calculator. 120 times 8 over 100. You will get 9.6. Okay, this is the value of W. If you don't want to do it this way, actually we have another method. What can we know from this 120? 120, it means that the price of this ingredient actually increases 20% from the years 2004 to 2006, right? So we know that W is equal to 8 times 120% because increases 20%, right? So we times 120 over 100. Okay, you get exactly the same answer. Oh, 9.6. Okay, this is another way to get the value of W. Okay, now let's go to part B. The price index of ingredient Q. Okay, now we are talking about ingredient Q. Just focus on this ingredient Q over here. In the years 2006, based on the year 2004, it means that the price, the index number in the year 2006 based on 2004 is equal to 160, increases 60%. The price per kilogram of ingredient Q in the year 2006 is 1 ringgit and 50 cents more than its corresponding price in the year 2004. Okay. Calculate the value of X and Y. Now we have two unknown over here. So first we try to think, how do we get the index number for the ingredient Q in the years 2006 based on the year 2004? You know, you need to calculate this way, right? Times 100 and you get the index number, which is equal to 160. Okay, what's the price in the years 2006? Y here. Okay, Now, what's the price in the year 2004? X times 100 is equal to 160. Okay, now we have a problem here. We have two unknown. So how do we get the value of y and x? So this part, this information is going to help us here. The price per kilogram of ingredient Q in the year 2006, y, is 1 ringgit and 50 cents more than its corresponding price in 2004. It means that in 2004 is equal to x. The y, this y, is actually more than x 1 ringgit and 50 cents. It means that y is equal to x plus 1.5. Okay, so now I don't want to write the y anymore. I write x plus 1.5. Okay, then is times 100 is equal to 160. Now I only have one unknown, so I can get the value of x easily. So x plus 1.5 over x is equal to 160 over 100. So if you want, you can just use a calculator to simplify this one first. Okay, this is 8 over 5. Now I'm going to use cross multiplications to help me to solve this equation to get the value of x. 5 times this is equal to 8 times x, which is 8x. Okay, here we just do some expansion. Okay, so this is 8x. Okay, I move the 5x over here. 7.5 is equal to 8x minus 5x, which is equal to 3x. So x is equal to 7.5 divided by 3. Okay, let me check. Okay, so x is equal to 2.5. So the question asks us to find the value of x and y. We need to find the value of y now. We know that y is actually equal to x plus 1.5, right? X is equal to 2.5. Now we need to plus 1.5. Okay, so we know that y is equal to 4 ringgit. Once we get the value, I encourage you to write all the answers into the table here, so easier for you to solve the next part. The composite price index for the cost of making the cake in the year 2006 based on 2004. Okay, this is a composite index 127.5. It means that overall the cost of making the cake will increase 27.5%. Okay, so this is a symbol for composite price index, composite index 2006 based on 2004 is equal to this. Okay, so now part 1, we want to calculate the price in the year 2004 if its corresponding price in the year 2006 is 40 ringgit and 80 cents. Okay, so here we don't have the weightage, right? I am going to apply this formula to help me to get the price of in 2004. Okay, so here the price in 2006 based on the price in 2004 times 100. Okay, now I'm using this formula. It's equal to 127.5. The price in 2006 is 40 ringgit and 80 cents. and this one I don't know, I just write P04. If you don't want, you want to give it an unknown X, don't use X, because here we have X and Y, W. You can use other variable. Okay, now how to get this one? I think it should be no problem, right? You take 4, okay, how I do cross multiplication first, huh? So 127.5 times the price in the years 2004 is equal to this times this, 4080. Okay, so the price in the year 2004 is equal to this one divided by this. You will get 32 ringgit. Okay, so this is the answer for the part 1, 32 ringgit. Okay, let's try the last part. The value of M if the quantities P, okay, we are still using this because this part is under the part C, right? So we are still using this composite index, which is equal to 127.5. The value of M if the quantity P, Q, R, S used are in the ratio of 7, 3, 4, and M. 7, 3, 4, and M. So these are all the weightage for the ingredient P, Q, R, S. Okay, now we have the weightage. I'm going to use this formula. And we don't have to times 100, okay? We don't have to times 100. We take the weightage times the index number for the particular items. But the problem here is we don't have the index number, right? So we need to find ourselves. So since that the given composite index is 2006 based on 2004, so the index number that we need to find is the same thing. We need to find the index number in the year 2006 based on 2004 as well. Okay, so how about, let me okay, so how do I get the index number for ingredient P in the year 2006 and 2004? We don't have to calculate because the question already gave us here, which is equal to 120. So how about ingredient Q? We know 160, right? So these two we need to calculate ourselves. We take 5. Since the base year is 2004, right? We have to take 5 divided by 4, and then we times 100. Is equal to 125. Okay, so okay, how about I write over here? For ingredient R, five over 4 times 100 is equal to 125. It means that increases 25%. Okay, so now we go to S for ingredient S 5.5. Okay, is the index number for 5.5 over 5 times 100. Okay, so definitely we know will be more than 100, right? Because increase. Okay, you will get 110. It means that 100. It means that increases 10%. Okay, now we have the weightage and we have the index number in the year 2006 based on the year 2004. So we can form an equation and then help us to get the value of M. Okay, so this is composite index. In the year 2006 based on 2004, it's equal to 127.5. Okay, so how do I get this? We can use this formula, right? So it means that the weightage times the index number, the weightage times its index number, all add up together divided by the total weightage, and then we will be able to get the composite index, which is equal to 127.5. Okay, 7 times 120. plus 3 times 160 plus 4 times 125 plus m times 110, so I just write 110 m, divided by the total weightage, which is equal to 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus m. Okay, remember, don't have to times 100, okay? This is a composite index, and which is equal to 127.5. Okay, until here you can try to pause the video, try to solve it yourself. I think it should be no problem. Just press the calculator for this part first. 7 times 120. Oh, 7 times 120 plus 3 times 160 plus 4 times 125. Here, this part is equal to 1820 plus 110 m. Okay, so this is 127.5. Okay, so I want to find the value of m. I just bring this whole thing over, go up here. Okay, so here I just do some expansion. One two 7.5 times 14. Okay, 1785, and then this 127.5 m. So the next, I just group the m together. I move this whole thing over here and this over here. 1820 minus 1785 is equal to this 127.5 m positive, bringing another side, become negative 110 m. Okay, this is equal to 35, correct? Yes. This is equal to 17.5, yes, m. Okay, so we are almost get the answers. 35 divided by 17.5. Okay, finally we got the answers. M is equal to 2. Okay, so this is the way how we solve the question for the composite index. How about we try one more questions? Okay, let's try one more questions. The table above shows the price indices changes in the let me see, okay, changes in the price indices and the so the price indices here there's a price indices, changes in the price indices, that's one, and the weightage over here of 4 components K, L, M, N, okay, which are the main components used to make an electronic switch. Calculate the price of component L. Okay, now we focus on L. Focus here. In the year 2013, if its price in 2011 is equal to 4 ringgit. Okay, now 2013 and 2011, 120. It means that from 2011 to 2013, the price increases by 20%. Okay, so we want to find the price in 2013. This is the price in 2011. So you can do it this way. The price in 2013 is equal to 4 ringgit times increases 20%, right? Times 120 over 100. Okay, so if we get a very long decimal, we need to give our answers correct to 2 decimal places. Let's try this. So it's 4 ringgit 80 cents. Okay, let's say if you don't want to use this method, you can solve it another way. Okay, so try first. First we try to think, how do we get this price index? in the year 2013 based on the year 2011. We calculate this way, right? Times 100, right? And which is equal to 120. And this is the price in the year 2011. So I'm going to plug in this over here. If you don't want to write the units, it's okay. And this, I move it over here. Okay, so the price in the year 2013 will be equal to 120 over 100 times 4. You can exactly the same answer, 120 over 100 times 4. $4.80. Okay, you get exactly the same answer. Okay, so this is 4 ringgit. Let me write over here the answers. Okay, now let's try to solve the second part. The price of component N. Okay, now focus on this component N in the year 2011. If its price after 2 years, it means 2013, become 5 ringgit and 20 cents. Okay, so first we try to think, how do we get this? 2013 based on the year 2011. How do we get this, which is equal to 115? We know we take price in the year 2013 divided by price in the year 2011 times 100, which is equal to 115, right? Okay, so the given price here is 2 years later. It means that this price is actually in the years 2013. So I am going to place this over here. So this is P11. I move the 100 over here. Okay. So if you want, you can use your calculator to simplify this part first. 115 divided by 100 is equal to 23 over 20. If you simplify it, the number becomes smaller. It's actually easier for you to solve it. Then we cross multiplication. This time this, we can just press our calculator. 104. 104 divided by 23. Okay, we get a very long decimal, and the question asks us to give our answer correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, so it will be 4 ringgit and 52 cents. Okay, now let's try part B. The composite index for the cost making an electronic switch in the year 2013 based on the year 2011. So this is a composite index. 2013 based on the year 2011 is equal to 117. Okay, this is 2013 based on 2011. So it means that we need to use the index number in the year 2013 based on the year 2011. Okay, so we want to calculate the P. Still remember the formula that we use to find the composite index. We take the weightage, which is over here, times the index number. Then we plus all together and we get the composite index, right? So 2 times 112 plus 3 times 120 plus 1 times P. Okay, we don't know what is P. We are going to calculate the value of P. 1 times P, you can just write P. It's okay. You don't have to write 1 over here. So 4 times 115. Okay, correct. Divided by the total weightage, which is equal to the sum of this all double. 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4. This will give us the composite index in the years 2013 based on the year 2011, which is equal to 117. Okay, and then here you can try to pause the video and solve it yourself. Okay, so this is P plus 1044 over 10 is equal to 117. Okay, just P plus 1044 is equal to 1170. I take this one times 10. Okay, then it should be no problem. Take this 1170 times minus 1044, which is equal to 126. Okay, so the value of P is 126. Okay, let me write over here first. Okay, so this is the answer for this part. Let's try part C. Calculate the composite index for the cost of making an electronic switch in the years 2015. Okay, we are looking for this based on the years 2011. Okay, so it means that we need the index number in the year 2015 in the years 2011, but the problem is we don't have this index number. It's okay, I'm going to show you how to get it easily. So here is 2000, all the index number here is 2013 based on 2011. And what does this mean? 10% increase, 5% increase. It means that, okay, well, let's focus on K first. Okay, so now I have 3 years involved, which is 2011, 2013, and 2015, right? Okay, let me write this 3 years first. 2013 and 2015. Okay, this one I think should be no problem. 112. From the years 2011 to 2013 increases 12%. So this way. So 10% increase, it means that from the year 2013 to 2015 increases 10%, it will become 110. Okay, now since we are looking for this index number, which is this way, right? Still remember, how do we get this index number? I told before, right? If you want to get this, very easy. We take 112 times 110 divided by 100. Okay, you will get 123.20. So the rest, you do the same thing. This 5% increase, right? You take 120 times 105 divided by 100. 120 times 105 divided by 100. 126. Okay, no change, it means that just keep it this way. 126. 126 times 100 over 100. No change, right? So still 126. Okay, let me check. Okay, correct, huh? This 4% decrease, it will become 96%, right? So you take 115 times 96 over 100. So this is 110.4. So these are all the index number for the years 2013 based on the years 2000. Oh, sorry, this is 2015. 2015 based on the year 2011. Okay, now should be no problem for us to get the composite index. Sorry, I'm a little bit blur now. Okay, part C. 2015 based on 2011. Okay, so what we need to do, take the weightage times the index number and then add up together divided by a total weightage. 3 times 1 do 6. 1 times 126, 4 times 110. Okay, and then divided by the total weightage, which is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4. Okay, this one you can just press your calculator. So the answer is 119.20. Okay, correct, 119.20. Okay, let's go to the last part. What is the cost of making an electronic switch in the year 2015 if the corresponding cost in the year 2011? So this is 2015 and 2011, which we can use this one. Okay. So now I'm going to use a second formula, so you remember this. So P15 over P11 times 100 is equal to this 119.20. Okay, so the cost in the years 2011 is 38. Okay, so I move the 100 over here. So the price in the years, the cost in the years 2015 will be 119.2 over 100 times 38. So we just round off our answers to 2 decimal places asked by the questions, which is 45 ringgit and 30 cents. Okay, correct. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope that you understand better after watching this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.